In this video, we will talk about the Competitive Landscape Tool module, also known as CLT. This module includes a comparative chart of your knowledge about the competitive landscape in your sales cycle. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Opportunity Optimizer dashboard. Click on the module name. By hitting the Edit button, we can input each criteria for our goals, objectives, obstacles, desires, and success metrics. The criteria items come from the Business Insight module and/or the Plan to Win module, but can be edited in here, like so. If one of these criteria items is not relevant anymore, just uncheck the box on the far left column to remove it from this module. After the criteria has been input, we can define the weight of this specific criteria, the rating for it based on a numerical value defined on configuration. Further down the table, you can see a total score and the relative percentage of that value. This way, you can rank yourself versus your competition. You can quickly view this comparison with the chart at the top part of the module. If you hover over each bar, you will get pop-up information with the total score of the respective account. To save your work, just click on the Save button to your top right. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.